I, Javian Dr. Gunja Soni, Faculty of Education and Mixology Department, Fashion and Interior from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University, Jaipur. खुश रहो बेटियों. Today I am going to teach you textile fiber. What is textile fiber? In a broad sense, the word fiber is used for various types of matter, natural or man-made, forming basic elements of textile fabrics and other textile structures. It is defined as one of the delicate hair-like portion of the tissues of a plant or animals. Fi- Fiber is defined by Fabric Link Textile Dictionary as the basic and basic entity in either natural or manufactured, which is twisted into yarn and then used in the production of the fabric. The physical the physical interpretation of the word fiber is a unit of matter characterized by having a length of at least 100 times its diameter. What is textile fiber? Technologists have defined the term textile fiber as those fiber which can be spun into a yarn or made into a fabric by interlacing or interloping in a variety of machines, including weaving, knitting, braiding, felting, and bonding, etc. The fabric and garment manufacture industry is one of the most essential industry. Its raw material are fiber. So in marketing, so in making a textile products, the parameter of the basic raw materials fiber are very important. The use of textile of cloths and furnishing hinges on an exceptional combination of properties such as warmth, softness, and pliability. These properties depend upon the raw material used to be make these products. Thus, for a fiber to be used for textile purpose, it should have certain properties. The fiber length must be circular 100 times the width. It must be able to be converted into yarn and it must be strong enough to withstand mechanical action during protection. So a textile fiber must have at least 5 mm of length so that it will be supple, flexible and strong enough to be spun. Other properties like elasticity, elasticity, fineness, uniformity, durability, luster, and print should also be possessed by a textile fiber. Classification of fiber. Natural fiber. In natural fiber, there are three or four type of fiber. Vegetable fiber. In vegetable fiber, in natural fiber there are two type of natural fiber. Vegetable fiber. In vegetable fiber is cotton, jute, rami. In animal fiber is silk, camel, wool, mogra, spider, and etc. And man-made fibers. In man-made fibers is polymer, acrylic, polyester, nylon. And mineral fiber is glass and carbon. Classification of textile fiber. Fibers for textile are classified by many systems. In 1960, the Textile Fiber Product Identification Act became effective. One of the basic way of to classify fiber is by its origin, and this is indeed the most commonly employed method. Flow chart 1 gives a general overview of fiber classification. There are various types of fiber used in the textile industry, each having their unique properties. These characteristics are largely dependent upon their origin. Natural fiber are obtained from nature, where the source could be a plant, an animal, or a mineral. Regarding plants, we obtain fiber from seeds, cotton, from leaves, sisal, and from stem, jute, flax, rami, etc. We animal fibers. We got wool and silk, and from minerals we obtain asbestos. Asbestos. We, with the increasing population, the demand of for textile is ever increasing, and to meet these demands, mankind has started to develop fiber commonly classified as man-made fiber. Man-made fibers are produced from polymer sources, either from nature, which is called regenerated fibers, or from synthetic polymers. Classifications is branching of whole discipline in different categories. Since textile fibers have ceased to be of descriptive discipline and have become a branch of science, the exactness and intricacy had entered into it. Therefore, we form selected and textile fiber for the intended use. The knowledge of the classification of textile fiber is essential. Thank you.